Your iPhone is smarter than you think. Here are 5 AI features you should start using today. Use visual intelligence to identify objects, landmarks, plants, and more just by pointing your camera. Rewrite. Summarize and proofread your text instantly using built-in AI writing tools. The new Siri understands more natural conversations and helps you complete tasks faster. Search your photos using simple words like beach, dog, or birthday and find memories instantly. AI learns your habits and suggests apps, shortcuts, and actions exactly when you need them. Which AI feature is your favorite? Subscribe for more simple AI tips every week.